Hello my dear juniors, welcome to 360 class. Today in this problem solving series we are going to discuss the problems related to Ohm's law. So let's kick out the problems. सबसे पहला प्रॉब्लम है what is Ohm's law? Ohm's law क्या होता है? So according to Ohm's law, at constant temperature, the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across its ends. That is, we can say that I is current is directly proportional to what? V. Suppose in a conductor, I amount of current is flowing. Okay, so I is directly proportional to what? V. Now, which can be written like this: V is also directly proportional to what? I. Now, V is equal to what? R I. Okay, so from this we can say R is equal to what? V upon I. So this is our what? Ohm's law. Now where R is what? R is equal to constant. This is what? Constant. R is constant. So this is our mathematical representation of Ohm's law, and this is very important formula. V is equal to Ri or R is equal to V upon I. Okay. So the next problem is, if the PD, that is potential difference, PD means what? Potential difference across the ends of a conductor is double, the current flowing through it gets, and we also know that PD means what? Voltage, or you can say potential difference. So from Ohm's law we know that V is directly proportional to what? I. So अगर V increase होगा तो हमारा IV क्या होगा? Increase होगा with equal amount. So here PD across the ends of a conductor is double. Agar B becomes 2 times double, then our I will also becomes twice. Okay, so it will also becomes twice. It is double. Okay, so answer is V. The next problem is what is called resistance. Resistance क्या होता है? Okay, the properties of a conductor due to which it opposes the flow of current, so it is called what? Resistance. That is, resistance is denoted by R. Okay, now from Ohm's law we know that V is equal to what? R I. Now R is equal to what? V upon I. Now we also know that R is directly proportional to what? Length, and R is directly proportional to 1 upon A, that is inversely proportional to sectional area of cross section. Okay, so this is 1 and this is what? 2, and from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, R is directly proportional to what? L upon A, and R is equal to what? Rho L upon A. This is what? Rho. This is what? Rho. Rho means resistivity. So from this we can say Rho is equal to what? R A upon L. This is also an important formula. Now remember one thing, the SI unit of R, that is resistance, is what? Equal to Ohm. This is Ohm, which is denoted by omega. Now from this we can say that the SI unit of Rho is equal to what? R, that is omega. A means meter square and length means meter. So meter cancel. So omega meter, that is Ohm meter. Okay. So the SI unit of omega, that is resistivity, is what? Ohm meter, and this is also very important. So, and we also know that resistance is directly proportional to temperature, and it also depends on the nature of the materials. Remember these 4 points. Okay, so the 4 points are resistance is directly proportional to what? R is directly proportional to temperature. Okay, and it depends on what? The nature of materials. Then it is directly proportional to length, and it is inversely proportional to area of cross section. These 4 points are very important. The next problem is what is the SI unit of resistance? So SI unit of resistance is, we know that ohm, that is OHM ohm, or we can say which is denoted by what? Omega. So answer is B. This is ohm, and which is denoted by omega. We can say also omega. So the next problem, the PD, that is potential difference across a 3 ohm resistance, is 6 volt. Okay. The current flowing through it, through in the resistor will be given PD, that is V is equal to R is equal to what? PD across a 3 ohm resistor, that is ohm means what? Resistance. R is equal to 3 omega. Okay, we can say ohm or omega same. So and ratio B is equal to what? 6 volt. Now we have to find the current, that is I. So from Ohm's law we know that from Ohm's law V is equal to what? R I. Now I is equal to what? I is equal to V upon R. That is B is equal to, B is 6 and R is what? 3. So that is 2 ampere. So current is what? 2 ampere. So correct answer is C. This is 2 ampere. Now the next problem is, a curved headlight bulb working on a 12 volt car battery, okay, draws a current of 0.5 ampere. The resistance of the bulb is what? So we have what? We have V is equal to 12 volt, and current I is equal to what? I is equal to 0.5 ampere. Now from Ohm's law we know that V is equal to what? R I. Now R, we have to find what? The resistance, that is R. So R is equal to what? V upon I. So by putting this value, okay, V is equal to what? 12 volt, and I is equal to 0.5. So by solving we get what? That's 120 by 5. That is 2 and 5. That is 20. Okay. 102 by 5, and which can be 24 ohm. Okay, so R is equal to what? 24 ohm. The correct answer is D. Okay, this is very easy. So the next problem is, an electrical appliance has a resistance of 25 ohm. When this electrical appliance is connected to a 230 volt supply line, the current passing through it will be, so we have to find the I. So we have given, that is resistance, R is equal to what? R is equal to 25 ohm. Okay, then when this appliance is connected to 230 volt, that is B is equal to what? 230 volts. Now we have to find the current. Okay, that's I. So from Ohm's law we know that by applying Ohm's law, B is equal to what? R I. Now I is equal to what? I is equal to V upon R. So B is equal to what? 230. And R equal to what? R is equal to 25. If we solve this, we get what? If we solve this, by solving we will get what? 9.2 ampere. So the 9.2 ampere, correct answer is 9.2 ampere. That is option C. So the next problem is, when a 4 ohm resistor is connected across the terminal of a 12 volt battery, okay, the number of coulombs passing through the resistor. Now what is the meaning of number of coulombs passing through the resistor? So we know that I is equal to what? Q upon T. So number of coulomb, that is C. Okay, number of coulomb means the unit of what? Q. So which is charge. So number of coulomb passing through resistor is what? I. Okay, so we have to find I, that is current. Okay, we have to find current. To find what? Current. Now what is given here? R is equal to what? R is given, that is 4 ohm, and volt. V is equal to what? 12 volt. Now we have to find the current. That is I, we know that B is equal to what? R, I. So I is equal to what? I is equal to V upon R, which is equal to V is equal to 12, and R is equal to what? R is equal to 4. By solving this, we will get what? 3 ampere. So the correct option is B. So B is our correct answer. So this is all about today's video. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब, लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट the videos. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you.